Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. I hope you're finding these daily biology MCQs and Sunday's unit-wise MCQs helpful in your preparation for the upcoming NEET exam, and if you are finding them helpful, do share it with your friends and other NEET aspirants as well. Also, if you have any suggestion or doubts, you can ping us in the comment section. So without wasting much time, let's get started.
Question number 73. Which of following pairs of organs include only the endocrine glands? Adrenal and ovary, parathyroid and adrenal, pancreas and parathyroid, thymus and testis, the only endocrine glands. The correct answer is option B, parathyroid and adrenal.
Question number 62. Which one of the following palindromic sequence bases in a DNA can be easily cut at about middle by some particular restriction enzyme? The sequences are given. Correct answer is option 3, that is 5' GAATTC and 3' CTTAAG. This is a palindromic sequence which can be easily cut by a restriction enzyme. Question number 62. International Rice Research Institute is located in Philippines, Delhi, Tokyo or Taiwan. Correct answer is option A, Philippines. Question number 60. Which of the following are the most suitable indicator of SO2 pollution in the environment? Fungus, lichens, conifers, algae. Correct answer is option 2, lichens. Question number 94. Tobacco plant resistant to nematode has been developed by introduction of DNA that produces a particular hormone, an anti-feedant, a toxic protein, both sense and antisense RNA. The correct answer is option 4, both sense and antisense RNA. Question number 97. In which of the following interaction both partners are adversely affected? Mutualism, competition, predation, parasitism. Both the partners are adversely affected. The correct answer is option 2, competition. Question number 95. Tiger is not a resident in which of the following national park? Sundarbans, Gir, Jim Corbett, Ranthambore. The correct answer is option 2, Gir. Question number 63. Which one of the following statements about a particular entity is true? Gene for producing insulin is present in every body cell. Nucleosome is formed of nucleotides. DNA consists of core of 8 histones. Centromere is found in animal cells which produces esters during cell division. So the correct answer is option 1. The gene for producing insulin is present in every body cell. Question number 85. Width of DNA molecule is 15 Armstrong, 20 Armstrong, 25 Armstrong or 34 Armstrong. Correct answer is option B, 20 Armstrong.
Question number 100. The gastric juice of infants contain nuclease, pepsinogens, lipases, renin, amylase, renin, pepsinogen, maltase, pepsinogen, renin. Gastric juice of infants contain. The correct answer is option B, pepsinogens, lipases and renin.
Question number 72. Phototropic curvature is the result of uneven distribution of gibberellin, phytochrome, cytokinin, auxin. The correct answer is auxin. Question number 73. Select the incorrect pair. Option A, Porphyria choanocyte. Option B, coelentrates nematocytes. Option C, Annelida segmentation. Option D, Monera eukaryote. The correct answer is option D, Monera eukaryote is the incorrect pair. Monera contains the prokaryotic organisms. Question number 52. The plant of Triticum aestivum is option A haploid, option B diploid, option C tetraploid, or option D hexaploid. Plant of Triticum aestivum is. Correct answer is option D. It is hexaploid. Question number 73. Select the incorrect pair. Option A Porphyria choanocyte, option B coelentrates nematocytes, option C Annelida segmentation, option D Monera eukaryote. The correct answer is option D. Monera eukaryote is the incorrect pair. Monera contains the prokaryotic organisms. Question number 89. The chitinous exoskeleton of arthropod is made of polymerization of option A lipoglycan, option B keratin sulfate and chondroitin sulfate, option C D-glucosamine, or option D N-acetyl glucosamine. Correct answer is option D N-acetyl glucosamine. N-acetyl glucosamine polymerize with each other to form the chitinous exoskeleton. So those are the MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.